I could talk about Ellen Wilkinson for weeks until I lost my voice, because her life is like a magician's top hat. You just keep reaching into it and bringing out more material. You know, this woman, she led the Jarrow March. She moonlit with communists. She had car chases with the MI5. She was 4'8". Her feet didn't touch the floor in Parliament. She was in sole charge of air raid shelters during the war. She published some of the first anti-fascist literature in the UK. She nearly got Einstein killed by accident. She was the only female minister in Attlee's government. She brought in free school milk and free school meals. She drove her car so fast that she repeatedly crashed, once colliding with a lorry during a blackout, then went straight back to work with a fractured skull. You know, this is a woman who was extraordinary, and her extraordinariness also cost her eventually everything.